Learn English. Welcome to English 8K Vocabulary. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Monday, February 3rd. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Number 1 is something you wear when you go to school, sometimes. And number 2, few, fewer, the fewest. We use these to compare countable amounts. Please listen and write this in your notebook. We wear uniforms at school. We wear uniforms at school. Uniforms. Clothing that looks the same. Now we can make a flashcard for uniform. Please write uniform up here in the top left corner. UNIFORM. Down here, CLO1. This means clothing, level 1. Over here, the number 12 out of 12. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Remember, in the IPA, the J sounds like a Y. U, knit, form, uniform. What about you? Do you wear a uniform every day? Let me know in the comments. Please listen and write this in your notebook. This is word number 2. I have a few books. I have a few books. A few. I have some books, but not many. In Old English, I have few books, but in modern English, I have a few books. Please repeat. I have fewer books than Bob. I have the fewest books in my family. This means everyone else has more than you. Now let's make a flashcard. Please write few, fewer, fewest up here in the top left corner. Down here in the bottom left corner, GW1. This means grammar word, level 1. Over here, the number 48 out of 135. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Remember, the J again sounds like a Y. Few. Few. Fewer, the fewest. Game over. It is time to go. What does Jennifer wear when she goes to school? A uniform. Very nice. Do you have many pens or only a few? Correct. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1 is, for example, a trip to Europe, when you look at many different countries in a short time. Number 2 is similar to being honest. And the last one is for directions. This comes from the word west, like north, south, east, and west. The missing letters are U, R, R. My name is Vinny from Canada. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.